Today's video is a little different. I'm not doing the cooking. Sarah and Andrew completely took over my kitchen to make homemade naan and creamy hummus from scratch. Let's see how they did it.
Hey, I'm Sarah, and Andrew and I are going to show you how to make both the hummus and naan at the same time. To begin, we're going to start by roasting the garlic. Grab a whole head of garlic and cut the very top off, just enough so each clove is exposed. Put the head of garlic into some tinfoil and drizzle cooking oil of your choice. I use avocado oil, but olive oil is also a great choice. Wrap the tinfoil around the garlic tightly and put it in an oven set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and let that cook for an hour. But why is roasting the garlic necessary for this recipe? Well, roasting the garlic transforms the garlic from a sharp to a sweet, mellow flavor. The smoothable garlic allows you to still enjoy the taste of garlic without that aggressive bite that you would get from raw garlic.
For the naan, grab a large bowl, add water, sugar, a portion of the flour, and active yeast. Then stir to combine and rest 10 minutes. This ensures we know that the yeast is alive and will give it a head start for the longer fermentation. Then add the remainder of the flour, salt, and olive oil. Mix with a spatula until you reach a shaggy dough. Then mix with your hands until you get a smooth dough ball. The dough will feel incredibly dry at first, but as you keep kneading, the flour will absorb with the water and you will reach a smooth dough. Once it's smooth, cover with a towel and rest for about an hour or until double in size.
Now that it's been an hour, set the garlic aside to cool. Assemble your food processor and add chickpeas, tahini, avocado oil, lemon juice, salt to taste, and squeeze out the entire roasted head of garlic. Once everything is in the food processor, pulse till the hummus comes out smooth. For a smoother consistency, add a bit more of either oil or lemon juice at a time, then pulse again till everything is well combined. Be sure to not add too much too fast or you will break the hummus's consistency. You can also add more salt if you feel it needs more to your liking. Scoop the hummus into a bowl, smooth it out, wrap it with plastic wrap so it doesn't dry out, and set aside till the naan is ready.
Once your dough is doubled in size, use a bench scraper to cut it into 8 equal pieces. Then, grab the corners of each piece and pull it to the center until you have a round ball. Then, use a rolling pin and roll it as thin as you can get it. If it ever sticks, just add a little bit of flour. Once all of your naan is rolled out, start preheating a cast iron pan. Once hot, add in some olive oil, then put on your naan. It'll bubble up and then crisp. Once golden brown, flip it. When the other side is golden brown, pull it off the pan. Repeat with the rest of the naan. To serve, top your hummus with olive oil and smoked paprika. Eat while the naan is still warm. We hope you enjoy this recipe. It is perfect as an appetizer before a larger course.
This homemade combo is so nutritious, and while the store-bought ones are okay, I would say the homemade ones are just arguably better. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm so proud of my kids. They did an excellent job. Please let me know in the comments if you want more recipe from us.